Pasig City is moving forward with a vision, transforming public service with the creation of the new and modern Pasig City Hall, presenting the Pasig City Hall Construction Consortium. PCHCC is a powerful collaboration between Santa Clara International Corporation, 𝗤𝗏𝗄𝗏 Builders Incorporated, and 𝗤𝗏𝗄𝗏 Property Management Corporation. PCHCC is a symbol of unity, merging expertise, innovation, and commitment to deliver a world-class city hall that the people of Pasig deserve and can be proud of. As one team, we bring more than a century of combined experience in infrastructure development, civil engineering, and property management. Our mission is to deliver on time and beyond expectations. Every detail matters, ensuring not just a building, but a landmark of quality, function, and resilience. Being leaders in power, water, and infrastructure development, our individual members are dedicated to building a sustainable future for Filipinos. Delivering projects with quality and environmental responsibility. With a proven track record across 15 countries, our individual members have delivered projects like the 60-hectare National Government Administrative Center in New Clark City, built in record time of 18 months with world-class standards. As the innovators of the NGAC, the Bataan Government Center, and the Palayan Government Center, our member corporations are specialists in property management and administration. Backed by a shared legacy of successful infrastructure projects worldwide, the PCHCC is committed to building with integrity, accountability, and excellence. We don't just build structures, we build for people. The new Pasig City Hall will be a center of government efficiency, making public service accessible, streamlined, and future-ready. The new Pasig is being built today. With the Pasigueños and Pasig City Hall Construction Consortium, together we can. Together we will.